Hi, welcome to this fun, exciting tutorial on exporting a imposed PDF from InDesign. Okay, so I have my InDesign document ready here. It's all in sequential order. Now I'm going to go to Window, Utilities, and Scripts. Got to make sure you have your IDImposer installed, and then you just double click on the IDImposer. Now these are the settings that I have. So I added a little bit of width to my spread to account for the thickness of my booklet. So my 2 pages together are 17.15 inches by 11. So that's each page is 8.575 each. So you can see all the other settings here. So now you just click on Impose. It may prompt you to save your InDesign document. We won't do this unless it's been saved. So this takes a minute or two. So basically it's going to make an imposed version of my InDesign file, and then I have to save it, or rather export it as a PDF with facing pages. So there's going to be a PDF that pops up at first, but it's just a single page version of it, which is not what we want. We have to send him, the print shop, the files with the facing pages. So this is a part you'll probably fast forward through. I use a 0.1 inch bleed around the outside. Okay, so this is that single page PDF that pops up. It's just part of the process here. We'll click OK. And now it's just populating this imposed copy of my document. So this version will have crop marks. It'll be in the right order. Okay, so this is my center spread, adding printer marks. All right, so you can see it's all imposed now. So we can close that, and now we just go to File and Export, and we choose Adobe PDF Print, and then you can put the appropriate label on here and choose a place to save it. I'm going to save mine on the desktop, and then save. And then you want to make sure you have your spread selected. And you can choose the version of Adobe that you want. I don't think it much matters. We'll use Adobe 8.9. And then you can just tweak any of these other settings if you want to downsample any of these. I think the defaults are good. Do we want to select crop and bleed marks? Let's try it without and see. So we'll say export. And we'll check the desktop. Oh, bam, there it is. Yeah, so it has all the crop marks on it. And your center line here, your fold line. And that's all you got to do. All right, so good luck.